Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan Prasetyaningrum. I will present my work about Indonesian dish pecel. So, what is pecel? Pecel is a traditional Indonesian dish from Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta that is enjoyed by many people in the country. Indonesian cuisine uses peanuts and spices to make pecel a sauce. In the United States, vegetables like salad are frequently served with it. Compared to pecel, gado-gado appears to be more well-known outside of Indonesia. And then, what ingredients of peanut sauce? In pecel, there are 250 grams peanuts with skin on, deep fried or toasted, 8 red boiled cayenne peppers, 4 cloves garlic, 8 kaffir lime leaves, thinly sliced, 2-inch Campharia galanga, 1 teaspoon toasted shrimp paste, 75 grams chef palm sugar, a half tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoons tamarind juice, and enough hot water to thin the sauce, or about 2 cups. And suggested vegetables such as boiled cabbage, spinach, snake beans, bean sprouts, water spinach, cassava leaves, cucumber, and basil leaves. Although it is entirely optional, some individuals enjoy adding crackers to their pecel, the most popular of which being peanut crackers or rempeyek kacang. Then, how to make pecel? The first step is using a food processor or mortar and pestle. Combine the peanuts, cayenne peppers, garlic, kaffir lime leaves, Campharia galanga, toasted shrimp paste, palm sugar, and salt to create a thick brown paste. You should be able to gather them into a ball or form them into a block since it should be rather sticky and clustered together. If you're not intending to use the peanut sauce right away, you can preserve it in the refrigerator. And then pour tamarind juice and just enough boiling water into a bowl to make the peanut sauce. Then stir until the sauce is desired thickness. Feel free to explore if you like a sauce that is either slightly thicker or somewhat thinner. Before serving, arrange the vegetables on a dish and drizzle with the peanut sauce. Combine everything and enjoy. And then the nutrient content of pecel. First, there are energy about 276 kilocalorie, carbohydrate 38.1 grams, protein 7.9 grams, and fat 11.2 grams, and such as micronutrients, sodium, sugar, potassium, cholesterol, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Nutrients are taken from one serving portion of pecel or the equivalent of 120 grams. The nutrients may change as portions are increased or different toppings of vegetables are used. And the health benefits of nasi pecel is considered to be a relatively healthy dish as it is made primarily of steamed rice, vegetables, and a peanut-based sauce. The steamed rice is a good source of carbohydrates, which provides energy to the body. The peanut sauce is also a healthy component of nasi pecel. Peanuts are a good source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Additionally, the sauce is made with peanuts that are ground into a paste, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels. And the other health benefits, nasi pecel is rich in green vegetables. One of them is spinach, which has a high vitamin A content. Vitamin A is very good for eye health. This includes preventing night blindness and helping to slow the decline in vision as we age. Vegetables contain a lot of fiber and enzymes that can help maintain digestive health. Bean sprouts or nasi pecel contain vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that protects cells from free radical attack. The vitamin is also able to improve sperm quality so that it directly contributes to helping male fertility. And that's all from Indonesian dish pecel. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.